Microsoft Outlook is known to disable or deactivate plug-in software from time to time. If this happens to Office Calendar, and the Office Calendar client tools go missing, the user will be unable to synchronize until the software and the tools are restored. As a recommendation, if a user is encountering issues with AddIn software not loading properly in their Microsoft Outlook, we suggest adjusting their AddIn settings to allow for all add-ins. You can advance without adjusting any settings, and likely still recover the Office Calendar client tools, but note the issue may reoccur more often. To check or adjust those settings, simply go to the top of Outlook to the File menu, then select Options. When the window appears, select Trust Center. Then click the Trust Center Settings button. Next, click the section for macro settings, and ensure the option for Enable All Macros is selected. Also ensure the check mark box for Apply Macro Security Settings to Installed Add-ins is checked. And click OK. Moving on. The quickest and easiest fix is going to the File tab at the top and clicking the Manage Add-ins button to examine the slow and disabled add-ins, and check to see if Office Calendar has been disabled. If you locate Office Calendar, ensure it is set to Always enable this add-in. Then click the Close button. Next, check to see if the Office Calendar client tools have been restored. If they have, congratulations, you're all set. If the Office Calendar client tools remain missing, we can dig a little deeper by going back to File, but this time choosing Options, and then Add-ins. Here we find Office Calendar is still listed in disabled items, so we use the drop-down at the bottom and select Disabled Items, and click the Go button. Scan the list of disabled items for Office Calendar, or the mscore.dll, and enable it to see if that successfully recovers the Office Calendar client tools. If successful, congratulations! Your ability to synchronize should now be restored. Woohoo, hard work pays off! If the Office Calendar client tools are still missing, go back to the Microsoft Outlook File menu at the top. Click Options, and click Add-ins again. Since Office Calendar is now listed under Inactive Application Add-ins, we ensure the drop-down at the bottom displays COM Add-ins, and we again click the Go button. When the COM Add-ins window appears, we simply locate Office Calendar, reactivate it with a check mark, and click the OK button. Hopefully now you have successfully recovered your Office Calendar client icons. Congratulations! Give yourself a high five. Or in other words, you can just clap. Thanks for watching. Click the link to check out our other helpful videos, and don't hesitate to call customer service with any questions.